everyone, welcome to our video. Today we'll begin with our book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge of class 3 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with chapter number 37, that is question R. Now in this chapter you have to look at the pictures which are given below and who are these personalities, you have to tell that, and you have to identify them. Certain questions are also given below. We will read them and then we will answer them quickly. So let's begin with the exercise now. So the first person or the personality given in the first picture is of Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma. Then we have the next picture of a famous astronaut who is no more, and her name is Kalpana Chawla. Next is another person, a famous industrialist, Mr. J.R.D. Tata. Then we have answered the following questions in the B part, and the first question is, which bird has the largest wingspan in the world? And the answer for this is the wandering albatross. The wandering albatross. Next we have the second question, and the question is, which tree is known as the sacred fig? The answer for this question is peepal. Peepal tree is known as the sacred fig. Then we have the third question, and it says, by which process do the plants prepare their food? And the answer for this question is photosynthesis. The next we have the C question, which is asking the match the following. We have to match the given columns below A and B, and the question begins with Mizoram, and the answer for Mizoram is Blue Mountain. Next we have the second one is Manipur, and the answer for Manipur is Loktak Lake. Then we have third Assam, and the answer for Assam is Kaziranga National Park. Next we have the last one, Tripura, and the answer for Tripura is Nir Mahal Palace. So once again a revision of the C part. The first answer for Mizoram is Blue Mountain. Manipur's answer is Loktak Lake. Then Assam's answer is Kaziranga National Park, and Tripura's answer is Nir Mahal Palace. Let's do the D question, that is write T for true and F for false statements. And the first question is, the kakapo is also called the owl, parrot, and the answer for this is true. Next we have tomato is a rich source of iron, and the answer for this is false. It is not iron. Next, third, Ganga River dolphin is the national aquatic animal of India, and the answer for this question is true. Then the fourth question, the last question of this D part is, Willis Carrier invented the microwave, and again this is the wrong answer. No, we will write here false. So first one is true, second one false, third one true, and the last one again is false. Let's now do the fill in the blanks portion. The question says, sounds of dash vary from bark to a horse-like whinnying and prolonged screaming, and the answer for this is spider monkey. Next, sunlight is a dash energy source, and the answer is renewable, RENEWABLE, renewable. Then next, the full form of GST is dash, and the answer is goods and service tax. Then the last question, dash is known as the national reptile. That is India's national reptile, and the answer for this question is king cobra. So this was all about this chapter. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.